Woke up this morning, sun on my face. Every little moment feels like grace. Hand in hand, we're chasing the light. With you, the world is shining bright. Laughter echoes in the air. Every step we take, I feel you there. Through every twist, through every view, life's amazing all because of you. Every dream we've ever had turns to gold when we're together. Every storm, every road we walk, led me here and I know forever. It's an amazing life with you. Every heartbeat feels brand new. Every sunrise, every smile makes this journey worth the while. It's an amazing life with you. Every moment, every view, I'm so grateful and I'm true. All my days are brighter with you. Through the nights that felt so long, you were the rhythm in my song. Every whisper, every touch shows me I'm loved so much. Side by side we'll take the lead into the dreams we want to keep. Every laugh, every tear we share builds a life beyond compare. Every road we've ever known led to this place we call our own. Every challenge, every fight made our world so bright. It's an amazing life with you. Every heartbeat feels brand new. Every sunrise, your smile makes this journey worth the while. It's an amazing life with you. Every moment, every view, I'm so grateful and I'm true. All my days are brighter with you. Yeah, you lift me higher than I've ever been. Turn the ordinary into dreams within. Through the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, you're the spark that lights my scenes. Life's